guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I usually upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week with my dog Jack. And this is Jack. He is such a great helper in all my videos. But today we're going to be showing you guys a style vlog, and I'm going to do an orange theme since all the pumpkin stuff is out and the fall stuff is out. So I wore this Halloween shirt today. And I made it last weekend and I just couldn't wait, so I just wanted to kind of base it around that and just do orange colors. Most of this stuff is stuff that I did make, but this is just to give you general ideas about outfits that you can put together and accessories. I just didn't want to change any of my style. This is personally what I would wear, but it's just to give you inspiration for fall outfits and orange theme outfits, because I like to do colored outfits every day. So I'm really excited to show you guys, so just stay tuned. Alright, so the first outfit that I have on is a Mickey and Minnie Mouse shirt that I made. I got the material at Joann, so I made the top, and the choker I got from AliExpress. And I have this awesome bag that I got from Forever 21. It's like an orange mesh bag and it's really large. I got the scrunchies from AliExpress. There's a purple one and an orange one. And the skirt that I have on, it's one that I've made, and I made it probably about a year ago. So it's just a black skirt, and it has all these question marks all over it. It was just something I had in my childhood, and I wanted to remake it, so I did. So this is the first outfit, and the shoes I have on are these sandals. I'm going to be putting these with all my outfits. I got these from Marshalls. They're super comfortable. Okay, so here is the second outfit. I got this hat from AliExpress, and I'm wearing the same wig. I got this shirt from Forever 21. This skirt I made about a year ago. It's just an orange skirt. Same shoes. So yeah, this is the second look. So here is the third look, and it's an orange sparkly dress that I made, and I got the fabric at Joann. I got this gold choker from AliExpress, and I got the belt, I think, from a thrift store. You can see it's really sparkly. So this would be really great for going out to dinner or the movies or just anywhere. But I love this dress. So yeah, it's really dressy yet really simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video and comment and subscribe to my channel. I usually upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single weekend. Once you subscribe, don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out. Say bye, Jack.